Hi everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Our large project this week is at Emerald Lakes at Harbourside Village. Scope of works of this job includes a softwash cleaning of 83 three-level townhouse frontages. Our professional cleaning technicians and equipment are able to handle this job with ease. We use our high flow, low pressure soft water systems and specialty soaps and cleaning agents to wash away the dirt, mould and grime. To assist in this job, we've also hired a scissor lift. During this project, we were focused on cleaning away the mould, mildew and dirt to assist in extending the time in between repainting as well as enhance the curb appeal of the properties. In 3 days, we were able to transform the Emerald Lakes Harbourside Townhouses and completely restore the curb appeal and vibrancy to its exterior. We are here for your exterior cleaning needs. Rest assured you're dealing with the business owners on every job. We use commercial equipment, trained staff to achieve professional results every time. If you're an on-site manager, there's no job too large or too small. Reach out to High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast for a professional quote, proposal or information, details below.